Hello friends, today we are going to review one of the tea company that is called Tyroon Tea Company Limited. Basically, the reason for selecting this company is recently we have seen economic conditions of Sri Lanka which has impacted by the COVID, and it is one of the largest producer of tea, but due to the economic conditions, okay, people were not able to grow, invest, uh, and there is a dip in the cultivation of tea. Also, from the Indian side, demand for Indian tea, especially for quality CTC and Orthodox tea, has increased. And due to Ukraine and Russia war, also there is a demand which is created. Russia, Iran, Syria, like that, many countries started purchasing CTC and Orthodox tea from India. So, it has created a demand. And also, if we see, the price of the tea also increased in the last 6 months. But the increase in tea prices are not uniform across India. South India and North India, there is a difference. However, we will see why Tyroon Tea Company Limited is one of the potential company for a turnaround. In this, I'm going to do the analysis, the potential of this company, going through the prices, going through the general production of the tea and all, and then trying to conclude or infer what I can see. This is just for my understanding purpose, experiment purpose. I have collated all the data and try to infer and see what the result is going to come. So if you see here, Tyroon Tea Company Limited is involved in the manufacture of quality CTC and Orthodox teas. The company tea estate is located in the Jorhat district of Assam, which is quality tea production belt. This statement is very important. Jorhat district of Assam. Because when I explain, the tea prices vary from North India to South India. Even within North India, different region will carry different prices. That is very key to understand. The company tea estate has an aggregate grant area of 922 hectares, of which 680 hectares is under tea cultivation. So I will tell you why I am highlighting this point. Jorhat district of Assam. If you see the prices, this is the district wise average prices of factories for the month of October. And you see Assam, in Assam Jorhat district, you can see the price is 207.62. Okay, so it varies. If you see South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Bihar, so the prices are less. And if you see here Arunachal Pradesh, all district of Arunachal Pradesh price is 262.05. So where your tea estate locates and which quality of that product it gives, price also differs. So we need to look into this point as well when we are identifying a company, in which region it is there and which price it is commanding. So this is very clear now. If you see here Jorhat compared to the other area, the prices are good. Okay, and if you compare to southern India, the prices are very good here. Okay, so this is one aspect. You can all get the data from tboard.government.in website. You can see the production data, you can see weekly prices, you can see export data. So, and you can do your own analysis. Yeah. Also, you can see demand for all categories of tea during sale 45. A rising trend in demand for all categories of tea was in evidence during Sale 45, a Calcutta Tea Traders Association official said here. So we can see here there is a demand happening and good quantity of teas are purchased and with good price. So that is a positive sign. So we understood why this region is very important for this company. Another is seasonability of this company. So let us go back here and see market cap of this company is 34 crore. Current price is under 2. 52 weeks high is 123. 52 weeks low is 61. Stock P is 4.43. Book value is 92, around 92. Dividend yield is 0. ROC is 23, which is very good. ROE is 22.1, excellent. Face value is 10. And if you see, it is near to 52 weeks high. Okay. So if you compare here, the other companies is PE ratio is less. One thing we can see for tea companies, if you do for any other tea company as well, okay, in September month there will be increase in the sales as well as profitability. However, last 2 years due to COVID impact, there is a impact on the sales, there is an impact on the profitability. However, net you can see from June to September, if you compare June to September, operating profit as well as net profit, if you compare the sales June to September, you can see there is an increase in the sales as well as profitability. So last year in June EPS was 3.56, in September it was 19.49, and December it is 12.70, March it is reduced, there is a seasonality there. June it is 5.47, and in September it is expected to increase. So let us see why I am saying it is expected to increase. I will share the numbers for our analysis and then we can infer. And even if you see year on year, it is good last year, and as of now it is sales are increasing, profit is increasing, our EPS also increasing. It's a good sign. Share capital is 3.51, so it is a micro company. Share capital is very less, so trading point of view is a traded, low volume traded share. Reserves are increasing. Shareholding pattern, promoters carrying 67% and remaining 32% with the public. Its quarterly result is expected to come on 14th. Yesterday, there is a company Giladus declared a result, and it has share of this company has jumped. This company produces tea as well as other, and you can see here September quarter operating profit jumped and EPS also jumped. So there is a potential. If you see here another company called the Grove Tea Company Limited, its current price is 906. Here also if you see seasonality, June to October sales will increase. June to October sales will increase. Along with that profitability also. So this is a pattern. Let me show you the analysis. If you see here, this is the production details of the Assam, because our company Tyroon Tea Company Limited is located in Assam. So here you can see the comparison between 2021 and 2022. BG means big growers, SG means small growers. What is this? Big growers means the company where they carries a large amount of land and they do cultivation. SG means small growers, they carry like 1 acre, 2 acre, like that. Okay, so they develop and they may sell it to big growers, and then the auctions will happen separately. So you can see here almost 50-50 between big growers and small growers in Assam, they share. Okay, so if you compare here September, August, July compared to last year 2021, last year total production is 294, here it is 300. So you can surely see there is an increase. However, if you see the large producer, it is a very marginal, 162, 163. Okay, so but small players are cultivated more. So production wise it is almost same. However, one factor you have to see the price. Last year the average price is 193.71. This year the average price during the same period is 220. Okay, and this is the price which is there at Jorat, Assam. So I didn't get for all the months, hence I am excluding it, but there is a difference between average price in Assam and Jorat price. So for my calculation I will use this because I have this value year on year. Okay, so this is the thing. However, you can see here if we get a revenue, total revenue, revenue is quantity into price. It is increased in Assam. So last year it is 5702, this year it is 6640. Okay, so you can see there is a price appreciation happened. However, one risk is the employee cost. Okay, because Assam government has increased the minimum wage of rupees 27 in August. See here the result, sorry, announcement. Assam hikes daily wages of tea garden workers by rupees 27. So this will impact the big growers especially. Okay, however, the difference between South India and North India is this entire wage, right? They are not giving them. They are giving into different, like they will give ration, school and other aspect. So they will differentiate, because if you see as a daily wage for North Indian, they may give rupees 250, but South India they may give rupees 450. But the other allowance, the benefit, the school, the rations, the insurance, like that, the other benefits they will get. So that is the difference. So one risk is the cost of the production is increased from August. However, similarly the price also increased. If you see here, right, average price last year it was 193.71 and here it is 220. Okay, so that is the one. Similarly, if you see here, for example, March, January, February, March. Okay, compared to last year, the revenue was 325. This is across Assam. Okay, here it is 369. So there is an increase in revenue, that is around 14%. However, if you see Tyroon as a company, sale is 2.57. Last year it was 4.46. So there is a decrease. Okay. Similarly, the profit was minus 4.59. Here is minus 3.98. So here also there is a decrease. Okay. And if you see the price also, okay, last year it was high, 160.5. This year 149.7. Hence, is profit also decreased. This is for the period January, February, March. But if you see the same thing, April, May, June. Okay. So production was, total revenue was 3498. Here 3890. So around 11% increase. Sale, Tyroon sale is 5.38 last year. Here it is 9.38. Profit is 1.38. Profit is 0.8 last year. The price wise, it is almost same average price, right? 218.5 to 19.21. Okay. However, if you see the sale is increased, profit increased. Okay. Sale increased by 3.92 and 0.58, and the price increase is very minimal. However, now this is my estimation. What we can expect from September quarter result. If you see here, the revenue in Assam, okay, overall considering the big growers, small tea growers, considering everything, okay, there is a 14% increase. Okay, so considering the 14% increase, if you see, last year it was sale 16.29, 14% of that around 18.59. Okay, but if you see here, the big growers, it is almost stagnant. It's the same. Okay, because there was a issue also in July. There was a flood. Because of flood, the production is impacted in Assam. That is clearly seen, right? In Assam 2021, you can see there is a decrease, 25% decrease, but that is nullified. The increase in the production almost same, right? 9% here increase, 16% here increase. September it is increased, and there is a good export opportunity also happened here. Hence, in my analysis, I am expecting around same or range of 16 to 18 sale for Tyroon. And profitability. Profitability also, if you see here, last year same 6.27. I'm just 14% of that. I'm giving that. So it will be 7.16. Okay. However, one major difference of what I'm seeing is the price compared to last year and this. How it is going to impact. Always it will positively impact. But since we also should be careful, there is a wage hike happened. Okay. In August. Not in July, but in August. So we need to see there is a impact on that operating profit margin, but it will nullify with the way price increase. Okay, so you can clearly see the price difference, 193.71, here it is 220.88. Okay, so let us keep our expectation low. If we keep our expectation low around 16 crore and around 7 crore, it will give a EPS of around more than 20, which is very good for such a micro cap company with a share capital of 3.51, with the current price is 102. So it will give a surely good boost to this company because its reserves are going to increase. So this trend will continue because till Sri Lanka recovers, at least it will take 1 year for them to recover. Okay, our Indian tea, especially those are in Assam area, because that is the belt where good quality of CTC and Orthodox teas are produced, and there is a demand also from UAE, Iran and all, because they are ready to pay for a good quality products. Hence, it is good to watch. All major tea companies results are expected on 14th of November. Even Tyroon tea company result is expected on 14th. Okay, so this is my analysis for my purpose. Done. Let me validate my understanding when the result comes, but I can see there is a good opportunity here based on the data what is available. There is a good opportunity, but at the end of the day we need to see reality. Okay, so that is one aspect. Another aspect, if you need to validate, is the expenses. You see here expenses. Okay, normally the expenses two part, material cost and the employee cost. You can see in March always employee cost is increased, March, okay. But only another concern is from August onwards the employee cost will further increase, okay. So here if you see the trend, okay, June to September it is reduced. If you see here, June to September it is reduced, okay. If you see here, June to September it's reduced. If you follow the pattern, ideally you should reduce, but we don't know, okay, the wage hike impact, how much it will reduce or how much it will increase. So that is one factor we need to watch out for. Net I'm expecting good result, good EPS. If that comes, then this will become a turnaround company and can be watched out, like how this Grove Tea Company Limited has done. The momentum share capital is just 1.16, just 1.16 share capital, okay, and its sales are like similar to our Tyroon tea. You see here 9.12, 17.59, okay. So this is very micro cap company, share capital is very less. It gives an opportunity if the results EPS comes good. So I'm expecting a good result, but at the end of the day, reality we need to watch out. We can watch out this company on 14th. Thank you.